Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we are seeing a positive trend, specifically in China, continuing. A lot of stimulus by the central bank has been announced, and there are talk that the Chinese government may announce a larger stimulus further to revive the economy. And in that relations, the Chinese market today up by almost around 2.5%. Whereas if you see in last 5 7 days, the Chinese market has moved up by almost around 13%. So that is all getting reflected into metal stocks, and even today the metals are up. If you see the iron ore, that is up by around 33.5%, and steel is up by around 2.5%. Even if you see the aluminum and copper, they are also up in recent past, and today also they are up. So all these are taking positive clue from the expectation of further announcement of stimulus from China. Apart from that, even the US market also remained positive yesterday, and futures are more of a flattish. So, apart from China and Hong Kong, other markets are in Asia are sideways. So we'll get some positive trigger from metal stock, and also because of the positive result from Accenture, some IT stocks will also be seeing some positive trend. So overall seems comparatively positive day for Indian market as well. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open on a positive note, or we might witness some sideways momentum during the day. From the last 3 4 trading sessions, we have seen that the Nifty is really doing very well from almost 25,400 to 26,200 levels. And yesterday, we have seen a very strong closing on the daily charts, as such, which gives a very strong indication on the continuation of this rally on the higher sides. Going ahead, 26,300 is the immediate resistance level we can expect. Any move above that level will extend this rally towards 26,400 to 26,500 levels, whereas on the downside, the support lies at around 26,100 and 26,000 levels. The overall view on the market will remain a positive as long as indices trades about 26,000 psychological mark. Coming towards the bank Nifty, the first resistance is placed at around 54,770. Above that level, 55,000 can be seen, whereas the support is placed at around 54,300 and 54,000 levels. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 25,250 is the first resistance level. Above that level, 25,350 can be seen, whereas the support is placed at around 25,000 and 24,840. Stock specific. Marks and daily looks good on the technical front. This particular counter is trading in the upward rising channel. We already have initiated a buy count on this particular stock, looking for a target of 324. So one can take a long positions by keeping a strict stop loss of 309. That's it from my end. I request everyone to take a call for me.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. On the derivatives front, as you witnessed in yesterday's session, in the first half, Nifty maintained to remain in the range, but in the second half, aggressive buying was being seen in the market with the support of the large cap selective stocks. In yesterday's session, we have seen that the put order positions have got added up heavily. As I said yesterday, that once if Nifty managed to give close about 26,000 level, then major liquidation we will witness from the call writer front, and the position will shift on the upside towards 26,500 to 26,800 level. As the same scenario we have seen, the call writer got liquidated strongly against that from 26,100 to 26,500 range. Put writer positions got added up. So scenario seems to be the positive front. We expect the momentum will be continued in the market. The support for the Nifty lies at 26,000 to 25,800 level. Till that point of time, we will expect the buy on dip strategy need to be initiated. PCROI yesterday closed at 1.37. PCROI is also at the stable rate. On the upside, we expect PCR to stretch towards 1.48 to 1.52 level. Once if PCR comes near 1.48 to 1.52 level, at that point of time, we might expect some overbought scenario and selling will be seen once if PCR comes near that level. But till that point of time, we expect the buying trend to be continued towards 26,400 to 500 level in next 1 to 2 days of a trading session. While India VIX yesterday decreased by 7%, coming near 12 basis point. So we expect India VIX now to remain in the range of 11 to 14 for next 1 to 2 weeks of a trading session. Once if India VIX goes above 14 level, and at that point of time, if PCR comes near 1.48 level, then that will be a profit booking zone. But at this point of time, the stability will be witnessed in the market. So hold a long position with support of 26,000 marker. On the stock specific front, overall metal sector looks positive, and we expect the metal buying to be witnessed in today's session. Also, selective counter from the metal will be Hindalco and JSW Steel. The another counter that looks positive in today's session will be Tata Power. In these three counter, we expect the buying has been witnessed in yesterday's session strongly as per the OI position, and we expect the fresh long position will be initiated in today's session also. So that's it from better front. Thank you.
Good morning. On the pharma side, Biocon Limited announced partnership with Tabuk Pharmaceutical, which is a leading pharmaceutical company in the Middle East and North Africa. This is to commercialize its GLP-1 products for treating diabetes and chronic weight management. This will be mainly in the select countries of the Middle East. So this is positive for the company. Jubilant Pharmova Limited announced that the US FDA has concluded an audit of the Jubilant Hollister Steve's allergy immunotherapy facility and contract manufacturing facility, which both are located at Washington, and the inspection concluded with no observations. So this is positive for the company. On the update side, yesterday we had a virtual meet with Stanley Lifestyle Limited management. The company is mainly into the furniture business. It has started the business in a premium seating segment for automobiles in 1996, and in 1997 it started with the furniture. 1999 it started with the furniture segment. Currently, the company is focusing on the complete home solutions, and it has 80% of its non-automotive business with respect to furniture and home solutions, and 20% of automotive business. Mainly, it is catering to three brands such as Stanley Boutique, Stanley Sofas and more, and Stanley Next Level. All these three segments are contributing 33 to 34% of the company's overall revenue. It is expected to open 10 more stores in FY25. It believes in store expansion as it is a key for its growth, and also it has a goal to achieve 100 stores by FY27 with more focus on the profitability at each store, and also it will focus on COCO stores expansion. It has guided for rupees 1,000 crore of revenue over the next 3 to 4 years. And in terms of ad spends, it expects to maintain it in the range of 6 to 7%, and it would not go beyond 9%, while the industry ad spends are at 35 to 40% on an average level. The company competes with many major domestic as well as international players. Also, unorganized market has a major share in this industry. Company's ability to gain market share and control on working capital cycle remains a key monitorable. Currently, the stock is trading at 97 times to TTM EPS, which looks expensive over the near term. Thank you.
Good morning. Infosys has signed a deal with a US-based specialty beauty product retailer company, Sally Beauty. It would be transforming its IT distribution network to optimize cost and drive some improvements in the processes. So duration of the project is 5 years. However, the quantum of the project is not known. That's positive for Infosys. Secondly, yesterday Accenture reported its last quarter results. The company actually closes the financial year in August. So the Q4 FY24 revenue came in at $16.41 billion, whereas the analysts were expecting $16.38 billion dollars revenue. So it was an increase of 4.2% Q on Q in USD terms. Even the EBIT margins were marginally better than a year ago. The main key parameter was the new bookings, which have come in at $20.1 billion dollars in the last quarter. It was 17.25 billion in the third quarter, and company has given a revenue guidance of 3 to 6% for FY25 in its local currency terms. FY25 outlook also has improved as per the management, as it is seeing some green shoots from client spending, especially in the healthcare, financial, and public sector domain. So that's positive for most of the Indian IT firms as well. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. That's all from us. Thank you very much. And now, Harshal, if you can take it over.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we might witness some profit taking in gold and silver. Gold, we are expecting prices to test 75,000 on downside. For trading purpose, one can also initiate a buy from 75,000 to 74,900, maintaining a stop loss of 74,700. Whereas upside 75,500, as 600 should be acting as a resistance area. So strictly sell with a stop loss of 75,750. And silver, we are expecting prices to test 92,000, 91,700 on downside. So for a pullback, one can initiate a buy from 91,700, maintaining a stop loss of 91,000. And again on upside, 92,850, 93,300 is the level where one should take profits. Yesterday, metals witnessed a spurt and prices rallied. So a bit of profit taking, and then again, one can initiate a buy. So buy on dips is a strategy. Copper, one can initiate a buy around 858 levels and maintain a stop loss of 853. On upside, 865, 868 is the level we are eyeing for. Similarly, zinc also, we are expecting prices to test 285 on the upside. So buying on dips around 280 and maintain a stop loss of 278. Whereas crude oil witnessed correction, and there could be some pullback till 57.30, 57.50, whereby again selling pressure could be witnessed. So selling around 57.50 is recommended with a stop loss of 58.30. Again on downside, 56.50 is the level where one should take profits. And in natural gas also, we are expecting prices to test 220 to 15 on the lower end. So selling on rise with a stop loss of 235 is recommended. That's it from us. Thank you very much.